Try this bread recipe that I learned from the restaurant. Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Grease the muffin pan with butter and do it generously and set it aside. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. In a container, beat eggs and milk. Season with salt and pepper and stir. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Cut the bread slices into strips. Please do not skip the eggs as a gesture of appreciation. Dip each strip into the egg mixture briefly. Then line the pan as shown. If you like easy, unique, and delicious ideas, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. Press the ends together to make a base, then follow with a slice of cheese. The cheese will contain the filling. Let's make the filling. Grate the cold meat of your choice. I used chicken polony. You may use any filling. It may be sweet or savory. Customize it to your taste. Fill the bread and close the bread strips. Repeat the process until all the muffin holes are filled. I would like to appreciate my returning subscribers, my easy family. You are the best. You may add achar, that's optional, or add even relish. Please drain the oil to avoid sogginess. What would be your favorite filling in this sandwich? Please write it in the comments below. This recipe is good for gatherings, for brunch, lunch boxes, and so on. It's a French toast bake with a twist. Grate the mozzarella cheese or any cheese of choice and top the bread. Bake for 30 minutes or until they are golden. To help populate this video and grow the channel, please press the like button below. I hope you will love this spread and enjoy it. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.